Hi guys, I'm back with another mini. So I have some full coverage nail tips here and they already been buffed, and I have some colors here from Madam Glam. I have a green, red, and white. The first is Celestial Green, which is a nice dark or darker shade of green. We also have Perfect Red, which of course it is what it is. It's a perfect red. And then we have Blessing, which is a white with kind of like a shimmer to it. I don't know if you'll be able to pick it up on camera or not. So I'm going to go in and apply a layer of base coat, a thin layer of base coat to all nails, and I will cure in my LED lamp for 30 seconds. No, actually 60 seconds. These nails are for Juneteenth, which is today. So happy Juneteenth. If you don't know what Juneteenth is at this point in your life, Google it, Google it, Google it. But these are Juneteenth inspired nails. So we're going to put 2 thin coats of color on each nail. 2 will be red, 1 will be green, and 2 will be white. Now, I've told y'all in the last video, me and white gel polish, we just, it's just white can be just streaky. I don't know what it is, but after the second coat it did come together. But I'm applying 2 thin coats of color to the nail, and then I'm going to cure for 60 seconds in my LED lamp. Now with Madam Glam, I do have a discount code that will save you 35% off your purchase. I will have that in the description box below, along with all of the products used. Look how bold and bright that red is. It's very pretty, perfect red. Now when I picked these colors out, my daughter was like, you doing Christmas nails? And I was like, no ma'am, no ma'am, we're doing Juneteenth nails. Juneteenth is tomorrow. I actually did this video on a Tuesday, the 18th, to be released tomorrow on the 19th. And so I was like, no, these are Juneteenth nails, but I get the Christmas vibes. Just like when you do Black History Month nails with the colors, it gives you Christmas vibes. It is what it is. I thought these were really pretty. And yeah, these colors could be Christmas colors as well. And so after that first coat of color, you can see everything is nice and smooth, nicely pigmented. I'm going to go in with that second thin coat of color and then cure. And I have some Juneteenth water slide decals that I will be using as well. And I was just trying to show you the shimmer, it didn't pick up. And so here are some Juneteenth decals from Spirit Art Designs, and they have different little pictures on there. I thought they were really cute, and so I just really couldn't decide which ones to use, but I decided on kind of like the Juneteenth. I don't know if those are feathers or flowers with heart in the middle, and the word Juneteenth. Again, it's a lot of decals on here, and so I can use these for years to come. And so I'm going to cut out 2 of the decals because you want to have them on a either light background or a white background, so that the colors appear more vibrant and they stand out. So I'm going to cut them out, and then I'm going to place them on the paper towel, then spray them with water. While I wait for the decal to be released from the paper backing, I will go in and apply a layer of Madam Glam's base coat on the 2 white nails, and then I will cure in my LED lamp. by the time the nails finished curing, the decals were ready to release from the paper. I'm just using a stamper here. You can use your hand tweezers, whatever works best for you. Removing the paper backing and then placing that on the nail. Now, when you do use gel base coat, you're able to smooth that decal out better and manipulate it on the nail to place it where you want it to go. So I did that for the pinky nail and the middle finger. Once I got it to my liking, I go in with the end of my nail art tweezers. They do have a silicone end on them, and I'm going to try and smooth that decal out to the best of my ability on the nail. Once I smooth the decal out, I will then encapsulate with a layer of gel base coat and cure. Now y'all know I have to add some rhinestones here, so I have some gold rhinestones from Poshy Nail Designs, and I do have some gold caviar beads. And so I'm going in with my Card Rhinestone Glue Gel. It comes in like a little liner brush to apply it on the nail, but you have to be careful because that bottle's pretty full, and what's on the brush will drip if you don't wipe off enough. And so I'm just going in and applying the gold rhinestones, and then in between that using a caviar bead. Now with this particular nail, it did cure cricket, and so off camera I just took some nail clippers and clipped those off, buffed the nail, applied another layer of gel color, cured, and then redid the process because it was not where I wanted it to be. And so I'm just flash curing so that when I put it in the lamp it doesn't move. If you don't flash cure the rhinestones, when you put it in the lamp they will actually move. And so here I'm just applying more rhinestones. So with the thumbnail I'm just going further up the nail, and then of course with them caviar beads it'd be taking forever. Them little beads, number one, when I open it up, they kind of, a few of them flew all over the nail mat, so I was trying to eye those or spot those and pick them up and place some. I placed caviar beads in between the bigger rhinestones just to kind of give it a more uniform look with the rhinestone placement. So once I cured all of the nails in my LED lamp for a full 60 seconds, I'm going in with Madam Glam's no wipe top coat, making sure that I do not apply the top coat on top of the rhinestones because it will make them lose their shine. If you do get it on there, you can take like a little alcohol wipe or a lint-free wipe and some alcohol and wipe off the top of the rhinestone. I am trying to get top coat on top of the caviar beads because if I were to wear these nails for an extended period of time, I wouldn't want the caviar beads to pop off, and I would not want them to turn colors by hand washing, you know, washing your body, etc. So once I get all of the nails top coated, I'm going to cure in my LED lamp for 60 seconds. So coming up, here are the nails, nice and shiny, cured in the lamp. I thought they were really cute, perfect for Juneteenth. I did apply them with sticky tabs to my nails, and here they are. They fit well. And so guys, please like this video if you found value. Leave a comment, let me know what you think, and subscribe to my channel. It is free 99. So happy Juneteenth to everyone, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.